I want you to think of the cards. Just think of one of these cards, any one you want. You got it? All right, now, are you happen to be thinking of setting the spades? That's amazing. How'd you do that? How in your mind? You know, I wish I had more time to practice, but what with my oil wells, I never get around to it. It's very beautiful. You met my daughter? Yes, we're very proud of her. She's a lovely girl. Overcame a great handicap. You know, she was learning disabled. Her mother and I took her to many specialists, you know. Now she's practically normal. You know.
She's a charmer.
Oh, God bless you, sweetheart. What is your sign?
I'm an aquarian.
You're an aquarian? I mean, what is your persuasion?
You mean my religion?
Yeah, persuasion.
I'm a Christian.
Yes, I am.
Wasn't you?
Me? I was more into the Hebrew persuasion, but when I got older, I converted to narcissism.
Dad? Dad, I need to talk to you right now.
Oh, I was just about to pull some quarters out of Mrs. Quincy's nose.
Right now, I need to talk to you.
Really?
Yep.
Excuse me, I'll there.
Would you stop doing those liquid tricks? What is wrong with you? You're supposed to be a dignified businessman.
Hobby of a rich merchant. You so